Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I want to present or explain my material about the role of mind mapping in developing students' writing organization. So this presentation is to fulfill mid-exam of medium of language teaching. So before I will start the presentation, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Wildan Asulikam and my last ID number is 23 and I'm from TBI 5A. So I will start with the first slide is introduction. So writing is one of the most complex skills in English learning because it requires students to organize ideas clearly and logically. Many Indonesian students find it difficult to arrange their thoughts into well-structured text. Mind mapping is a visual technique that helps learners connect ideas around central topic using lines, colors, and images from Busan 2006. This technique helps improve students' writing organization, coherence, and motivation. Several studies in Indonesia have proven that mind mapping supports students in planning ideas and producing better organized writing. So the main point is that writing in English is difficult because students have to organize many ideas logically. Their thoughts are often messy. Mind mapping is a visual solution. It's like making a map or a diagram for the brain. This technique helps them see all their ideas and how they connect before they start writing. It's like creating a blueprint for their paragraphs. So mind mapping is make more easier to organize writing. And in the next slide is summary from the journal. I have found three journal. So three studies show that mind mapping significantly improves student ability to develop and organize ideas clearly. At MTS Negeri 2 Bandar Lampung, the average score improved from 64.03 to 78.36, with 83.33% achieving mastery after using mind mapping. In Purwokerto, the main score rose from 61 to 71, and the t-test results 2,957 to t-table 2,037, showing significant improvement. At SMA Al Miftah, Pamekasan, 87% of students passed after applying mind mapping in writing analytical exposition text. Students become more confident, motivated, and active in class because they could visualize their ideas attractively. Mind mapping helps not only in generating ideas but also in arranging them systematically, creating better coherence and structure in writing. The results from these three studies are very clear and positive. In all schools, student scores improve significantly. For example, in Bandar Lampung, the average score rose from 64 to 78, and most students passed. Importantly, the research in Purwokerto proved that this improvement wasn't a coincidence, but was truly due to the effective of mind mapping. Besides scores, students also became more confident and active in class because they could see their ideas. And the next slide is analysis of argument. All studies confirm that mind mapping improves writing organization and coherence, encourages collaboration and active learning, provides a structured and visual brainstorming process. Research methods use CAR and quasi-experimental ensure credible results. However, most studies focus only on writing organization and motivation, not deeply analyzing grammar or vocabulary. So the main conclusion from all the research are better writing organization, mind mapping, make better writing organization. Mind mapping helps students structure more coherent and easier to understand paragraph. Live layer classroom. This technique encourages collaboration and makes students more engaged in the lesson. Focus and Focused brainstorming. Unlike regular brainstorming, mind mapping provides a visual structure to capture all ideas. So it's important to remember this research focus on ideas, organization, and motivation. So we know mind mapping is great for structuring writing, but to improve grammar and vocabulary, additional practice might be needed. Okay, next slide is evaluation. Mind mapping positively affects both writing scores and classroom participation. It is practical and easy to use across different writing genres, such as recount, narrative, and analytical exposition. Teachers can apply mind mapping as a pre-writing activity to help students organize ideas before drafting. This technique also increases student confidence, engagement, and enjoyment in learning English. Though overall, mind mapping is a practical and effective tool. Its advantages are improve scores. It's proven that student writing scores get better, boost confidence. Students are no longer afraid of a blank page because they already have a guide. Versatile for all text type, narrative, recon, or essays can all be planned with mind mapping. It's a simple strategy that delivers big results for student writing process. Okay, the next slide or the last slide is judgment. So mind mapping is a powerful and creative tool for writing instruction. It helps students visualize relationship between ideas, avoid confusion, and produce well-structured paragraph. Students become more confident and motivated in writing tasks. Teachers are encouraged to integrate mind mapping into English writing lessons. Future improvement can include combining mind mapping with technology or collaborative learning to enhance effectiveness. So, our final conclusion in this slide is that mind mapping is highly recommended tool. It's a creative way that helps students organize their thoughts with more structured pieces, and most importantly, makes them more motivated to learn writing in English. We suggest teachers try using this technique in their classroom. In the future, mind mapping can also be combined with technology or group work for even better results. So that's all about the explanation about the material. So I think that's enough, and I will close with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.